The aim of this video is to show how to use the point cloud data that was captured by Newry Council for use within OpenStreetMaps. So this address, I'll put it in the description, but this brings us to a point cloud hosted at Queen's University, but it's the point cloud data that was captured by Newry Council and made open data. And Conor Graham has uploaded this to an installation of a thing called Potree. So what I wanted to show was getting the height of a particular building now. So to navigate around Potree, you're right clicking and dragging and left clicking and dragging. So left click and drag will alter your view, the angle of your view, and a right click and drag will move you around the map, and then you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in. So I'm trying to get over to the town hall here, and you can see that there are individual points. So the airplane that flew over Newry, I think it used LiDAR technology and captured lots of individual points, and these points are all represented then graphically here with colour and height measurements. So each point contains lots of information, and what I want to do is to try and measure the height of the town hall so that I can put that data then into OpenStreetMap. So I've zoomed into the town hall here, and you can see that the points are all still trying to load. Depending on how good your computer is, this can be quicker or slower. Mine's a little bit slow here. But what I want to do then is use these tools on the left hand side to try and make a height measurement. So this one here, the green dots with a straight line, allows me to make a height measurement. And what I want then is to click on a point. So I'm trying to pick an individual point at the top of the town hall. For my first click, I let go, and then I'm looking for a point on the ground close to it, close to the building that I'm measuring the height of. So you can see here, if I click here, I can see that the height then of the town hall close to the apex of the roof is 19.5 meters. So I could then input that data into OpenStreetMap. Might just try and see if I can use this X here to clear that. Maybe try another one on the height. So I'll choose from this side of the art centre and bring it down onto the road, and I can see that it's a little, not quite as high, so it's just about 12.2 meters high from the road. So that's information that I can then add to OpenStreetMap.